Good morning, guys. Good morning from Africa, Kenya, Juja. Here the Elvis and Madeline Aluzimbi family. Welcome back to our channel this morning. It's a very chilly morning. Very chilly morning here. It's been raining. This is maybe the whole week, raining every day without stopping. And I welcome you back to our channel. Welcome. And before I continue, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for following us. Thank you for also subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for your subscription. Thank you so much for you've liked our channel, you've rang the bell, and we just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you this beautiful morning here, and I thank you also. Our target was before the last month to hit 1,000. Our target was to hit 1,000, and thank you so much for subscribing. And right now we are 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. Continue watching, continue subscribing, continue liking, continue also watching our videos. Please watch, make also our watch time grow. Yeah, thank you so much. This beautiful morning, we are having, I want to go with you. We are taking the Sunday school children from our church to animal orphanage, and I want you to go with me to this animal orphanage. Go with me. You see animals, you see what I am going to see there. I've never been there, so go with me in that orphanage. Yeah, but it's raining, guys. It's really raining in this place. It's raining so much. Thank you so much. Maybe I can show you around. Sorry for I didn't record when I was leaving the house. I was somehow late. That's why I didn't record. I was trying to hurry up. And right now I'm at the church to pick the children to go to this animal orphanage. I want to show you around. Let me turn my camera to the other side. You see, we have shifted our tent to another place because of rain. We have shifted it because of this rain. Yeah, maybe you can see around. Yeah, that is where our tent is. We have shifted it from where we usually do our services to this place because the other place is mud, it's messy. Now we have shifted it to a new place to do our service for today. Yeah, you can see those children in the boot, in the trunk or boot. We call it boot here. They are trying to organize themselves for for this animal orphanage. Yeah, thank you guys. Continue liking and subscribing. Guys, you can see the children in the car.
Where is the riddle?
Yeah. Can see Nesh. Nesh, say hi. Nesh.
Good boy.
Hi, good boy. Jamiel, say hi. Wow. Where is Mo? Mo, say hi. Tamira, say hi. Wow. See, the road is bad. Our road is bad.
Very bad.
Very bad.
And to go.
Tumefika vizuri.
Na kizungu.
We have arrived safely.
Again.
We have arrived safely. Thank you.
Guys, we have arrived. Now we are heading to the reception so that they can give us direction on what to do or where to go. You can see the children around. Yeah, you can see the children. Guys, as you can see, I have Baraka here, and I myself, we have arrived, and we are heading to the animal orphanage. We are heading to the animal orphanage to see animal, and the children are so excited. They are so happy. They are, they are so excited, and we are hoping they will enjoy today as the day goes. Yeah, the walk is good. This place is nice. Yeah. Wameenda huko. Ndege. They are so excited to see a plane. Yeah, we are so excited. Even me, I'm so excited to spend my time with the children here, because these children are so happy. They are so happy. This place is very nice place. It's in Nairobi, and it's a very cool and nice, good place. That's why you can see the children they are happy, and it's a chilly place, very chilly place. Yes, sir. We have arrived. Let me show you lion around. You can see lion just resting. Yeah, there is a lion in front of me. There is a lion. That is a lion just resting in the cage or what. This is a lion. Let me zoom it for you. You can see it's resting. This lion, Nakuja. This lion is resting, and the other one there is also resting. That other. Pole, don't run. We still have some time. We still have more time. Don't run. Sawa. Guys, you can see this thing.
How do you know?
You can see them. You can see that peacock. That is a peacock. They are right. Leopard zinaishi wapi?
Kwa msitu.
Museme na nguvu, zinaishi wapi?
Kwa msitu.
Iko na miguu ngapi?
4.
Leopard iko na miguu ngapi?
4.
For what?
Legs.
4 what?
Legs.
Okay.
He is one of the big cats.
So, kama
Animals
are
leopard, lion, cheetah, elephant, rhino.
that is a hyena, guys. It's resting on the top of that thing.
And hyenas, if you look at the legs of a hyena, the back legs ni kubwa kuliko the
front one.
The front ones are bigger than
The back
legs. Inaendanga kitu aje?
It goes like this.
Ni kama gari iko imebeba mzigo. Unaona gari imebeba mzigo inainukanga mbele.
Tusome hapo inasema Coco was
rescued from
KWS
workshop pit latrine after being attacked by a lion.
Wow.
He was held at veterinary department until he was completely healed.
The big 5 animals are?
The big 5 animals are lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard, rhino.
Wow. Tuone oak.
Ya panda. Ile katini.
Wow.
Ile katini ya panda.
Olive. Olive. Wow, guys, you can see how its tail is looking like. The tail is looking nice. That is what?
Peacock.
That is what?
Peacock.
What is the color of the peacock?
Green and
Green and?
blue.
Green and?
Blue.
Green and?
Blue.
Wow. You can see peacock opening his tail. Ona.
Peacock.
It's very cute. Sindio? It's very what? Cute, sindio? Na iko na kala ngapi hapo? Blue and green, sindio? Mzee Kobe, nani anataka aone kama ametoka? Ujeni. Come and see Mzee Kobe ametoka. This is, guys, tortoise. It's walking. This is tortoise walking around. One of the oldest animals or crab that lives. Si mnaona kobe anatembea? Baraka. Naona. Atembea. Afanya nini? Naona venye najificha watu. Ayoneni watoto wanatembea. Angalia Baraka katoto.
Katoto. Mbona inajificha?
Mbona kale katoto pale? Kale katoto kabisa.
Inajificha.
Mnaona watoto?
Baraka.
You can see it's very slow. Nikusaidie.
Uncle Elbow, hair ingekuwa hapa. Kama hair.
See hair.
Rabbit. You love rabbits. Inakimbia. Itaipita.
Peacock iko na how many colors? Huh?
2 colors.
Which one and which one?
Green and blue.
That is what? Peacock.
Peacock.
Anything else from peacock? Yeah? What? No. Peacock iko na nini nyingine?
It has a long tail.
It has what?
A long tail.
And
It has
it
a-
looks cute.
It looks what?
Cute and beautiful.
Cute and what?
Beautiful.
That is what?
A peacock.
Aya. What about
A mzekobe.
Mzee Kobe or tortoise?
It slowly.
Eh?
It is the walk very slowly. It is the most oldest animal in
Eh.
the world. And it has a big shell so that it can be protected by animals.
From other.
Again,
From other animals.
turudie tena.
It has a big shell where it can hide so animals can't eat.
And you have teeth. Ndio.
Inapenda kuonekana hivi.
Kuna kitu nyingine yenye iko nayo inapenda kushine. Inapenda nini? Inapenda kushine, inapenda kujionyesha, iko na maringo.
Ndio maana nimesema inapenda kujiringa.
Si ndio? Peacock inapenda nini?
Kujiringa.
Inapenda kuringa, si ndio? Peacock. Unaona venye inaringa ikiona watu?
Wasichana.
Peacock ni kama wasichana.
Wasichana wanajiringa sana.
Unaona inaringa ikiona watu? Some.
Dino was rescued around KWS headquarters residential area.
What is the height of Dino?
60 to 70 centimeters.
Weight?
10 to 37 kilograms.
A length?
50 to 114 centimeters.
Gestation period? 170?
187 days.
Lifespan?
20 to 30 years.
Diet? Omnivores. Omnivore. Si ndio? And Dino is here. This is Dino. This is Dino. This is what? This is Dino. Si ndio? You can see how it's eating. Ukizongea Dino it will eat you. Nani anataka nimrudishe hapo Dino imkule?
Mimi inaweza kula mimi.
Huh? Ani nani mwenye amesoma kitu kwa Dino? Atuambie anything that you've learned from Dino.
Dino looks like a
Dino looks like?
baboon. A baboon.
Dino looks like?
A baboon.
Dino, you are not speaking guys. Mmechoka? Kama mmechoka, we go back tuende nyumbani.
No.
Huh?
Dino looks like a
Haya,
baboon.
tuseme Dino looks.
Dino looks like a baboon.
Dino looks like?
A baboon.
How many legs does Dino have? 4
Legs.
4 legs, ndio? Na Dino inaweza climb mti ama haiwezi?
Inaweza.
Inaweza?
It can climb trees.
It can climb trees and it's like playing with what?
Kids.
Kids and people, si ndio? That is what?
But you can't play with it.
You can't play with it. That is Dino.
And then these are my birds. These are my birds.
Guys, we are heading to our next stage. We are going to our next place to see now a buffalo. These children are learning. They are getting notes and they are getting to learn from this place. Yeah, you can see my friend Baraka.
This is the fun.
Leta Baraka, utanyang'anya. Angalia Dino.
Acha ashike anyang'anywe.
Atalia we, atalia.
The cheetah, it's sleeping. You can see it sleeping happily. That is a cheetah.
Tuanze again. Tuanze.
Peacock, monkey, tortoise, zebra, lion, cheetah, leopard, monkey.
Again, lazima tufanye pamoja vizuri. Tuanze vizuri again. Tuanze wote. JL. Ni wewe unaongoza. JL. Tuanze.
Lion, peacock, cheetah, zebra, lion, tortoise, buffalo, monkey, baboon, hyena.
Okay, you are. That is cheetah in his house. What is that? Hiyo ni nini? Atusikia, atusemi wote kwa nini?
Cheetah. Cheetah.
Again.
Awesome kid.
Fanya hivi. Nitapea biscuit.
Sema awesome kids.
Awesome kids.
Nakaa vizuri.
Tena.
Awesome kids.
Kwa nini hamna sauti, hamjakula? Sauti JL.
Awesome kids.
Sauti.
Awesome kids.
Tena.
Awesome kids.
Tuseme this is awesome.
We are the awesome.
This is awesome kids.
From
Divine Grace
Evangelistic Ministry.
wow. Hapo msema wow.
Wow.
Guys, it has been raining. It's still raining up to now. But we've tried our best to show you what we can or what I can. And right now we are leaving the place. It's raining and we are trying to run to go to the car to hide there. See you? Huh? We are trying to run away from the rain. We are trying to run away from the rain. It has rained so much, and right now we are going to the car to take our food. Then we leave. Let me show you. Been a nice experience here with the children. Very good experience, very nice experience. The children have enjoyed. We have even enjoyed having children around, playing with them, showing them around and teaching them also. Thank you so much guys for following us. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking, even for ringing the bell. I want to tell you, please continue watching the video, continue subscribing, continue continue liking the page, follow us. We are here. See, the children are checking food now. The man himself, Baraka, is eating. Baraka is enjoying chips. Sindio Baraka? Baraka, you are eating chips. Mmesoma leo? Have you learned anything?
Yes.
Have you learned anything?
Yes.
Have you enjoyed?
Yes.
Have you enjoyed?
Yes.
Hamjasoma kwa sababu hamuongei.
Yes.
Hamuongei, si ndio?
Na huyu.
Hamuongei. Hamuongei. Have you learned anything?
Yes.
Have you learned anything?
Yes.
What have you seen? What have you seen? Again, what have you seen? What have you seen, JL? What have you seen?